That's interesting.
Oh, I can see it. Yeah. People
Okay. So that's cool to try this. Yay. Okay. Oh wow. Ah, only me? Okay. I'm on the railway. Oh, it's going. It's going. Can I have a look? What? Oh, there's another one coming. Oh. Oh, what? It goes right into that tiny little place. Oh my goodness. Yo. No freaking way. So where does it stop? Oh, that's it. Oh, why is it jiggling though? Why is it jiggling? Okay, I made it. Oh, okay, there's a lady there about to let me off. I can't believe it. Oh, wow. Okay, that was an experience. Hello.
Can I have your ticket?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. And that's to go back up.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
What a lovely experience that was. Oh, wow.
Steepest.
Yeah. Oh, wow. I'm glad I found it. Well, that was really nice. She said it's the shortest and the steepest in the UK and it's still functioning. So, I mean, what a nice day out this is. I'm glad I found it. And then you have the little old walkway over here. This place is just beautiful. Stunning. Right over there. Another one coming down. Excuse me, am I supposed to climb this thing to the railway? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. What? Alright. Severn Valley Railway Station. And you must cross the bridge. It is quite solid, so I don't think I should be afraid. Very solid. It's not a wobbly bridge, so that's fine. Ooh, I think I spoke too soon. It's a bit wobbly, just a little bit, but nothing scary. Oh my god, this place is insane, guys. Absolutely insane. Look at it. And then you have traffic going right through. Okay, all right, let me keep going. Let me just mind my business because it is quite scary. Yeah, if you're afraid of height, don't do this. Don't do it. Oh my god. Ish. It's a nice little town. And everybody's so friendly in this town. Everybody's been saying hello to me. You look lovely, nice dress, all of that, all of that. So nice and welcoming. Very nice.
Turn right on Stoneway Steps. going to take some photos of that. Mad, isn't it? Sorry.
It's okay.
I've been here for-
I'm excited as well, don't worry.
Sorry.
the passion over there.
Okay, okay.
You'll start seeing everything right now.
It's okay.
Wow, look, we can see.
Wow. Well, that's a shot.
Wow, look at the window here, Maisie.
See how look
Wow, we're going high. Wow, look, Maisie, we're really high. Look at that. One's going up, one's coming down. Wow, look at that view. Can you see?
Right.
Nice experience, that was. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hiya.
Hi.